Is your low-fat diet secretly killing your brain power? Discover the shocking truth about the fat your brain desperately needs to stay sharp and why ditching it could be your biggest health mistake. Myelin insulates your brain and nerve cells. Myelin allows your brain and nerves to transmit information faster. Myelin is 80% fat. We literally need dietary fat to think. This is why low-fat diets are horrible for your health. Your brain controls everything in your body. The way it transmits information to the rest of your body is via your nerves. The thicker your myelin is around the nerves, the faster that information is sent. In order for that myelin to be built, you have to get sufficient amounts of healthy fats. Here are the healthy fats you should consume: animal fats, lard, tallow, fish oil, coconut oil, olive oil, avocado oil, avocados, butter, ghee, clarified butter, macadamia oil, tree nuts. These have been consumed for millennia by humans. You should stay away from seed oils, vegetable oils. These are the unhealthy fats. If you want a deeper dive on why, here's why. We utilize healthy fats with patience. It's one of the reasons why we regularly see them improve with the following symptoms: brain fog, anxiety, depression, ADHD, insomnia. When you take away what doesn't help the body, while simultaneously giving the body what it needs, some amazing changes happen. How you fuel your body has one of the highest ROIs on improving your health. It's why we spend so much time talking about it. We truly want you to improve your health. You really can turn around your health and your life by what you eat. If you are still consuming a low-fat diet, do your body some good and begin getting sufficient amounts of healthy fats. Your sex hormones also need them to be produced: testosterone, estrogen, progesterone. If you want to improve your metabolic function, having sufficient levels of these hormones is a must. But if you eat a low-fat diet, these will be harder for your body to manufacture, and you will struggle with your metabolism. We will end with this. The trillions of cells in your body need healthy fats. The outside wall is a phospholipid bilayer. Lipid means fat. Bi means two. Your cell walls are literally 2 layers of fat. In order for your cells to work, they need healthy fats. So if we haven't beat this dead horse enough, make sure you are getting enough healthy fats. We love helping to educate people to make better choices to improve their health. If you think this could help someone, please share this video and subscribe our channel.